Hi, it's Jessica from Studio Quirk. Today we're going to be making a beautiful French seam, which works best on straight seams. French seams are pretty straightforward, but what you want to focus on is the math. To get a 5/8 inch seam allowance, we're going to start by doing a 3/8 inch seam, and then we'll add on a 1/4 inch seam, which totals up to 5/8 inch. Start by placing your fabric with the wrong sides together. Stitch 3/8 inch from the raw edge of your fabric. Now, open your seam and press flat. Next, we'll trim this seam to a very scant 1/8 inch. Open your fabric up again. Now we're going to take that seam and turn it into a fold, and we're going to press along that fold line. Position your needle 1/4 inch from that folded edge and stitch the length of your seam. And that's it. You've created a beautiful enclosed seam. Go ahead and give it one more press and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please leave me a comment below. I'd love for you to subscribe and see all my videos. You can also follow my day-to-day projects on my Instagram at Jessica J. Quirk.